Okay, so in today's video, I just wanted to make a real quick video because I'm testing some new audio settings, and hopefully it's going to make a huge improvement over what we've seen in the past with my audio. And so today we're just going to add some blue Octoroks, and it's going to be a pretty straightforward process. And so let me go ahead and pull this up. Let's see here. Edit with. We're going to split this off. Clone to other. Nope. Move to new instance. Okay. And so in the starter code, what we're going to do, and so this is what yours looks like from last video. And what we want to do is, since we're just adding a blue Octorok, we want to go down to our draw game objects. And so inside here, if is enemy, what we're going to do is we're going to say or, because the blue and red Octoroks share the same game logic. Okay, so the pathing and everything is the same. And so the enemy type for a blue Octorok, I've chosen as 3, although it's completely arbitrary. But so the other thing that we need to do is right now, this controls if it is red, basically the red animations. Okay, and so what we want to do is we want to actually make it so that there is a blue and a red one. Okay, so that's pretty easy. Let's see here. This is, so right here, this starts the animation for the red. Okay, and so what we want to say is if game objects at I dot enemy type is equal to 1, and what we want is all this logic inside that if statement. Okay, and so now what we're going to do is we're going to copy that and we're just going to say else, because if it's not 1, it's going to be 3. So else works just fine there. And so for the third, for the blue Octorok, it's going to have different locations on that sprite sheet. Okay, and so the different locations are going to be 120 here and 120 30. And then this is just going to be easy. It's 180, 0, and 180, 30. This is going to be 150, 0, 150, 30. And then this one is going to be 210. And 210, 30. Makes it super easy to change. And if you don't trust me, just go to this sprite sheet and look at the location of X at 210 and 0 on, so X at 210 and Y at 0. And you'll find the blue Octorok facing right. Okay. And so to test this, what we want to do is we want to go into our maps file, and you want to go to the 119. So 119, there's already an Octorok ready there to be changed. Okay, so game objects 119, it's roughly 3026 is where you would want to change it. And so instead of enemy type equals 1, we want to change this to enemy type equals 3. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and save the maps file, and I'm going to go ahead and run my starter code. And now we got a blue Octorok. Now, one thing that you would do with the blue Octorok, to make it, more like the original game, is it's going to have more health, right? And so you would do that right here, okay? So for instance, we might give this one 2 health. I don't know. I don't know exactly what and it differs by the sword you have, so that's something that we might have to look at in future videos, but you would change its health right here with its other properties. And so that's a very quick video, and I'm really doing this to just experiment with some new audio settings and to see if you like the new sound and to see if it is an improvement over what we have put out in the past. So that's that. I hope to see you soon, and have a nice night.